getting ready for your meditation, being comfortable. Relax. Say mentally to yourself, I relax my body completely. And very gently, I move into silence. I step inside myself, in silence. I disconnect from the outside world just for this short time, letting go of all the external activities of your world. Remain inside yourself. Say mentally to yourself, I will remain inside myself. Keeping disconnected from all the external things around me, going inward. Sitting with myself, breathing, embodying. I let go of all worries, all fears. Sitting with myself, I become still, and gently I focus my attention on the breath in the body, moving the body, breathing. The mind jumps into the past or the future. Simply notice this. Notice and let it go. I focus my mind and focus on the breath. Now bring the awareness and imagine breathing in and out of the eyebrow center. And imagine there is a point of light there. Breathing in and out of this point of light right now, right here. You will hear the sound of a gong every now and then to bring you back to the breath and the visualization of the light at the forehead, eyebrow center. Going deep, releasing. Connecting to what is within. Become the witness to your awareness. Breathing in and out through the eyebrow center to this point of light. focus, I concentrate completely, easily. I am light, I am peace. Peace is my strength. Letting go deeper and deeper within your sense of peace and awareness. Remain in this experience. Peace is your strength, your nature. Going deeper inward. Being aware of the breath. There are no distractions, but the sense of light pulsing with your breath at the eyebrow center. There is only peace, silence, peace and silence. Gently begin to take a long, slow, deep breath into your whole body and breathe out with a sigh, releasing any tensions. And do that 2 more times. Long, slow, comfortable breath in. And letting go completely. And once more. Feeling back into the body, back into the external, back to where you are sitting or lying, being aware of what you have been doing. And this practice of meditation is coming to a close. Begin to move the body. And whenever you're ready to, open your eyes.